Things to consider when buying. An air fryer. If you're short on space, you'll want to think on the smaller side to maximize surface space. This Russell Hobbs fryer is the perfect answer at just 4.3 litres and is the most compact in size that we have. It also has 9 preset cooking functions, so still has plenty of features to offer. Looking for something easy to clean? With this Ninja fryer, you can avoid adding to the washing up, as it features dishwasher-safe parts, a removable drawer and crisper plate that are both non-stick and easy to wipe clean. The noise level of your air fryer might be important if your kitchen is a communal space or you have an open-plan kitchen and living room area. This Tefal keeps things quiet, so you won't be getting any complaints. And finally, for those who want to get the most out of their cooking and experience the full capabilities of what air fryers can offer, the Philips has 13 cooking functions, including reheating, defrosting, and keep warm. It also has a touchscreen, a viewing window, and uses rapid air technology. With thousands of products and must-have brands, there's more to Argos.